So in this video, I will show you step by step whether it is possible to get USDT loan without collateral. So for this video, I'm using Bybit app. So go and install Bybit on your mobile phone. After you install the Bybit, you tap on your profile at the top left side. After you open your profile, so the first thing to do, you need to go and verify your account. After you finish verifying your account, so you tap on this all services. So now tap on the search. So now we search for loan. After you search for loan, now select the first option. So from this option, now allow it to finish loading. So if you want to get the USDT loan, so here is the USDT. So now select the USDT, this one. After you select the USDT, now scroll to down. So under the USDT, there is time limit that it gives you for the loan. So if you want, you can get the loan for 7 days, 14 days, 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, and 180 days. So you choose the date that you want to check the loan. So let's say for me, I want to use the 60 days. So after you choose the 60 days, now here is it now. So the first thing to do now, you tap on this option now and select the amount you want to borrow. So you type in the amount. So the minimum amount for the 60 days is $1,000. So you type in the 1,000 USDT. After you type in the 1,000 USDT, the next thing to do, just scroll to down and you tap on this interest rate and you reduce the interest to 1%. So the next thing to do now, you tap on this done on your keyboard. And then as you can see now, here is option. So as you can see now, as I said earlier, whether it is possible. So as you can see now, after you type in the amount that I want to get, and I type in the interest rate, and from this option, as you can see, it says collateral. So here it says, please select. Here it says, please select sufficient collateral to meet the initial LTV of 180.00%. So the first thing to do now, we tap on this option now, this one. After you tap on this option, as you can see, now it will take you to your wallet. So here what it asks you now is that you have to get some USDT or some coin that you are holding in your wallet before you can be able to apply for the loan. So for this video, I'm only holding BTC and the amount is too small. So if you have some amount of BTC or of any coin that you are holding, so you can select the amount as your collateral and tap on this back arrow. After you select the amount, so you tap on this confirm button. So you make sure you tap on this I have agreed, and then you can tap on this borrow button. So from there, they will transfer the USDT into your wallet, and that's it. If this video helps, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll meet in the next one.